Good morning. It is Monday and we're on the 5th week, so we've only got 2 weeks to go. And this week we're doing more on subtraction, so we're finding differences today, which is subtraction. And we're going on to 4-digit numbers this week as well. A couple of word problems as well. So let me just flip you over and see what we're doing today. Okay, so you can see we're doing finding differences. And let's just have a look at our in focus. So it says, find the difference between the number of boys and the number of girls. What if there is one more girl? What is the difference now? So we've actually got two questions there. Boys, girls. We might be able to do this in our heads, but let's just have a look. So finding the difference. Difference is subtraction between your highest number and your smallest number. So we can see there as a bar model method, we've got 358 boys and girls 128. And you just it's relative to the size. So it's over half of them are girls. So there's twice as many boys at least. So here is the difference, and we need to find what that is. So it's quite a lot, isn't it? So the calculation will be 358 subtract 128. So it says when we subtract numbers, we get the difference. So let's have a look at those numbers. So we can see we've got 100, 200, 300. And our tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And 8 ones. So it'll be 358. And then we need to subtract. There's our 100, 110, 120, and 128. Okay, so we need to find the difference between those two numbers. And there we are, so 358 subtract 128. And we can actually see in the ones column, the 8s are both the same. Tens, we've got 5 take away 2 and 3 take away 1. So let's just have a look at that now. Okay, so we just take away 100 because 3 take away 1 is 2, so we're left with 200. So 358 subtract 128 equals 230. Now if there was one more girl, that would be 358 subtract 129. So now we can't do 8 take away 8. We've got 8 take away 9. Now can we do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 take away 9. So we can't do that. So what are we going to do? So all we need to do is take a 10 from next door, don't we? So we can see here is at the moment we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And we've got 8 ones. Okay, so I'm going to take a 10 from next door in from the tens column. And now I'm going to place that in the ones section. So I'm exchanging that for ones. So you can see 110 is the same as 10 ones. We've exchanged it for 10 ones. So now we've actually got 18 altogether. So if I just come over here into my column method, I've just thrown my pen across the floor. We've actually taken a 10 away, and we are now left with 4. And we put that 10 in this section here. So now we're actually got 18 ones, which is 110 and 8 ones. So now we have 18 subtract 9. Now, some of you will know that double 9 is 18. And half of 18 is 9. So it's really important to know our doubles. In fact, that's something we could work on this week, is doubles and halves. So 18 take away 9 well, 18 take away 8 is 10. Take away 1 is 9. And now I've got 4 take away 2. Dead easy. 2. And 3 take away 1. So 300 take away 100 is 229. So just see there is, because the bottom number was bigger than the top number, is we had to go next door. We had to take a 1 off, a 110 off. We had to exchange it for 10 ones. And then you can see we've regrouped. And we've got 18 take away 9. Okay, so when we do our differences, it's really important that we do use that process. So let's just have a look at the main lesson today. Okay, so we're finding the differences. And we can see here we have got, find the difference. A, 225 kilograms and 34 kilograms. So the bike weighs 225 kilograms and the person weighs 34 kilograms. What is the difference? How do we find the difference? By subtracting. 225 subtract 34. So good to show column method on a piece of paper. Okay? Some of you might say, well, 225, if I take 25 away and take 25 from there, how much have I got left? Otherwise, just do it with column subtraction. B, so box A is 248 and box B 310. So would our calculation be 248 subtract 310? No. Biggest number first, isn't it? So it'd be 310 subtract 248. And again, we've got 2 more questions there. So find the difference in millilitres, and this one, find the difference in pounds. So just be careful what number you use first. And then we've got some more calculations there, find the difference. Not many calculations altogether. So if you do finish quickly, have a go at doing some more calculations. Okay? Challenge yourself. Okay, that's it for today. Looking forward to your answers.